Hi everyone, hi, my lovely people in the building. How you guys doing? Hello everyone, please subscribe to JC Williams TV. May God bless you. If you know you have never subscribed to JC Williams TV, please subscribe to JC Williams TV. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is JC Ukiagbe. Subscribe to JC Williams TV. Oh no, I think this message is going direct to YouTube. I think I'm YouTube. I was supposed to be on Facebook. Wow, I'm supposed to be on Facebook. I did not arrange it when. Oh my God. I'm supposed to be on Facebook. Wow. Hi everyone. Yeah. I want to be on Facebook. Oh, you can see my message there. Oh, aye. Oh. I think I'm going to end this video very soon because I'm supposed to be on Facebook. This message is direct to those people on Facebook. Okay, guys. At the same time, I will still be on YouTube, but I want to be on Facebook. Because the music I want to sing in this program that I want to do. No, they don't. They will not take it on YouTube. So Hello, people that follow me on YouTube. I'm going to talk to my lovely people on Facebook. So, if the time permits me, anytime the YouTube just cut off, I will just leave it. I'm on Facebook. To my lovely people out there. Yeah. We are going to talk today. Yes, this is Jessie. Yeah. Oh, sit down, my love. Yeah, go on. Go on, change this thing, please. This one is not on to what I'm going to do. What's that? Take it. Okay. Remove it. Move it to, let me talk to those people. They think they are too smart. Thank you, Grace Bernard. Grace Bernard, thank you so much. Thank you. Are you doing? Hello, my people. What is going to happen? Just let me for this phone first. Hello, my wonderful people, my amazing people, my lovely, wonderful people. How you guys doing? Hello, Adesuwa Iyobosa. Good evening. If I want to play this music, I will mute the YouTube because of thank you everyone. Because of the YouTube, you know, guys know they don't allow us to enjoy ourselves well. We are going to Facebook. We are on Facebook, guys. Come to YouTube. Let's talk this matter. We are going to talk to those people that think they are too wise. So let me give you guys this music. Let me give you guys this music. Thank you, my wonderful people. No, I did not mute the Facebook. Guys, subscribe to Jessie Williams TV. Oh yeah, what is this thing here now, please? Subscribe to Jessie Williams TV. I'm on Facebook at the same time on YouTube right now. Okay, I'm on Facebook. I'm automatically the same time still on Facebook. We are going to talk to the presenter that think they are too wise. Today, everything is bouncing back to them. Everything is bouncing back to them. Can see what is happening right now. Wow, we have a lovely, wonderful, amazing topic today. Let's give them a song that belongs to them. Oh, I know when you see me, see your meal. Oh, no, when you tell me, I wanna when you see me, see your meal. I wanna when you tell me, eh? I wanna when you see me, see you. I wanna when you tell me, you. I wanna when you see me, see you. I wanna when you tell me, you. Guys, go to JC Williams TV. We are going to our YouTube channel, JC Williams TV, guys. Thank you all that subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going to JC Williams TV. We are going to talk to them. They think they are too smart, more than us. They think they know more than us. So let's tell them they don't know anything. Presenters. You guys should come and listen to your mess. Share the video. Wow, it's going to talk today. It's going to talk today. On it now. Still do it again, please. Ame presenter, ame mwagbe. Not so hard though. You understand? Not so much hard. I wanna wait, yes, oh me, eh? I wanna wait, time, you. I wanna wait, yes, oh me, I wanna wait, time, you. Eh? I wanna wait, yes, oh me, I wanna wait, time, you. I wanna wait, yes, oh me, I wanna wait, time, you. Eh? Ase wakwana togaro, baby David ye kiaga ukia, baby David ye, where fi where we ta. Stella, are you sweet? Oh my God! I represent Saya we are few. Yeah man, Miami, what's in my home again? In Miami and West say by AI say we just want to keep calm. If you are talking to me, I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you. Oh, where is this music? Wade dame we ekwa. battery low on iPhone, Yeah, go one. Why worry? I do why dollar she had to face it. Ya want me and I am because you are only way and all way. Wow. Damn in work way. Madam egg bua. Why time egg bua? Listen to yourself. Listen to yourself. Okay, guys. Why we Latin now? Why we go there now? Just see you get me weary. Why we go there now? Not so hard. Wait, I'm coming. Thank you. You are welcome. My lovely people, Angel Williams, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Ken Daniel, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Adesuwa Iyobosa, thank you for the wonderful thumbs up. Thank you. Angel Williams, thank you so much for the wonderful thumbs up. For the wonderful, amazing thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, you wanna roll with Lana, man? I am here for you. Oh, thank you so much. Share the video to your community. Thank you. Share it to your community. I'm on Facebook at the same time. I'm still on YouTube. Jesse Williams TV, guys. Subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. Thank you so much. Share the video, my people. Thank you for jumping in, Eva Monda. Thank Eva Matthew. You are welcome to my LS. Thank you so much. I want to talk to presenter on Facebook. Oh, today is a presenter on Facebook. Give me my earpiece. Give me my earpiece. Quick. Thank you for the wonderful thumbs up, Evans Matthew. Thank you for the wonderful thumbs up. Guys, jump in on YouTube. Jump in. Jesse Williams TV. Jump on. Thank you for supporting Jesse Williams TV. Where is the white one? It's under this receipt. when you real, when I get one na popo mawu, no I attack Boyama, Ali Leriowa. Hey, oh, I want to artist so you want to make the concerning Kenijena Bo. You want to make the concerning Kenijena, oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. You want to make the concerning Kenijena, Bavogima, oh yeah. Ayima Wagmo, Ayima, oh yeah. Ayima Wagmo, Ayima, oh yeah. Bavamakiana. When I get a come, the Namana Bagwiga Mava. When I win your get, I got it well. I'm a quick, I'm a fire. When I win your get away. Oh, they want to ask so. Anyone they are so good. They were gualo now. Eh? Eh? Talk to me. I'm coming. How are you doing? It's a way I get to you. Waga vite waga e waga assim a boca eu ave Tony ama. It's a way come to YouTube. Oh, what is this music? Thank you all for jumping in. Oh my God, see my wonderful people on YouTube. Guys, come to YouTube. Oh, come to YouTube. JC Williams TV. Come to YouTube. If you know you love JC Williams TV, let's go and talk this matter on YouTube. Jump in. Hi everyone, our message today is going direct to our presenters on Facebook. Dear Maseko. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe ló ń sìn kẹ́yẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe lórí eré yóò gbé mi yéke o. Tí èmi ọ̀sẹ̀ kò. Come to YouTube, okay? Oh, hey, hey. And I know still. Oh, don't go. Thank you, my wonderful people. Odo the man. And then you can say, yeah, wait, yeah. Let me pause the music. This one is not the music I want. This is not the music I really want. I can't find it. Oh my God. Find it before I enter the stage. I'm on stage now. Wow, presenters. Where are you guys? Social media president. Larry, because the way I case one. Were a president always social media, yeah, Larry. lare go ben wakeu wayate wakayate wo kan fun social media president iya wa no iya Eddie Murphy social media president Monica Emmanuel Waka na hena Eddie Murphy Monica Lolo Ivie I even know Magi Virginia retere Magi Virginia re I'm sorry guys. I'm so sorry my people. Wayatinya kume. Because a life in now. Ekwegun elwebo just because of YouTube in Niger. Return you, but ekwe mo me biaga zebo. Ya tabi nyo biere na. Odoge life wa. Yeah, my wonderful people, how you guys doing? Jump in on YouTube, Jesse Williams TV. Jump in. Walare ni kuwa gwawe ave ehun ne nwi ave gbe. Walare ni wa gwa gwawe na. O wa se we be wa hen wa mu e ma we gboto. Good evening my lovely sister, maybe peace Okafor. Good evening. O wa we wa ti ya mu e ma we gboto. Wa we do kan wa aje kian we eruwa onwa when wa ya need eruwa onwa ga aje wa ma nwo bia nwo ko ya fefe nu wa mu gboto wa ma wi yen riye nana mi ewe emi ga sunu wa we to wa present wa can present name why do I present ogoge wa de wa ya ko boku gbe wa ya report YouTube channel me Jesse Williams TV wa ya report wa we report e be kiowe wa de ma wa no so wa we atenu wa kin tariyo e wo re wa si e bo ya we mi ate na wo so wa atenu wa kin e de le na iwo na o se lati agwali won na ban we o no we mi esi o mi o o no we mi ta mi o ama no we esi o mi o me ma care wa ya ku gbe wa block YouTube wa block other too much we ki obe ama no we ta mi o guy ama no we esi wa gbona mi esi o mi thank you I see people are jumping into YouTube. Come to YouTube guys, let's say this matter on YouTube. Eddie Murphy guy a life in now when we edo ya mi san we ta pe gba wan you understand so okay kaka bo je mi we e manipuna do agba we awo manukin thank you maybe peace Okafor thank you are welcome maybe peace Okafor TV you are welcome Egbe you are welcome good evening my beautiful lady thank you so much Susie Just thank you are welcome Susie Just thumbs up done thank you for the wonderful thumbs up thank you so much thank you I'm so excited. See you guys on my YouTube right now. I'm so happy. Guys, if you know you have never subscribed, go and subscribe to Jesse Williams TV so that you can jump up to YouTube channel right now. Okay, we are on YouTube channel. At the same time, we are still on Facebook. Okay, guys, if you know that you are a small YouTuber, you want to grow up your YouTube, go and subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. So let's talk. That would be, you understand. If you are a YouTuber, you understand what I mean. That command, you understand. So I you understand. So Larry Edimofi, who was social media president, this one, attention seeker. Now viewers, new one me why build the YouTube even say why build them. I mean why him your name. You tell when you tefu near take one. You don't go wa. I'm not go wa one. Okay no. I need to now go wa one. Wa me na ekwe no rugwa gbe. E no say na ya we asun Edimofi. O wa da me o me. E no ya me ya we asun a topic in here. A joy gift, don't worry. That your money is a barrier money. Joy gift, your money is a barrier money, is a setback money. Any setback money, don't come, any bad luck, every bad head, don't come to my YouTube channel, because very soon we'll be interpreting, dream interpreting on my YouTube channel. Person like this joy gift, please, I just beg you, I don't want you on my Facebook, I don't want you on my YouTube, because you are a barrier. You are a barrier, okay? I've been on Facebook, I've been on YouTube for more than 2 years, okay? I've been on YouTube for Jesse Ugiagbe for more than 2 years before I relocate to Jesse Williams. What do you mean? Are you okay? Are you crazy? Are you okay? Mumu, you don't see you. Just look at. I just want to insult your father, because I want to use you person like you as the picture when you just see. Who even see your profile now? You go know the kind of person when you be. You understand? You that joy gift. Let me tell you something. You are a bad luck. People that are close to you. They have already give me your details. I don't want to do all those things. If not, you could have been number one of those sagas. You understand? A bad luck in Wale here. Monica is coming from you. Wa moe Monica, who do you call it? Wa beo, wa moe Monica, where? Wa zua, wa Monica. Wa moe Monica, wa do you call about lawe, about fear kunle lera visuwe. Wa beo yun zan. Wow, with the profile picture. Wow, Monica is coming from you. Where Ladian, where don't we make one? Who are you? Who is Monica? No bell bagmon. What are you call? What boom? Eh, no one by a dog of social media. I won't sound susu. One now no cause the problem. When you think back to your generation, 1 year bona. Back to anywhere manager way not to adjust ota ukme bona where because the man see when my man baby na see when nuju gba me yin ba gbon nu fian wu nu wo a don't know we go wa gbon ri e ma ta mani o ma you know what's wrong with you? Okay, you normal it's here we ma una gwadi go be YouTube. Yes, ya te gwadi go e YouTube o David no ri a e wa won gwadi go be YouTube nene Monica wo denu o denu enu bom wa bagbon nu zaga bagbon nene Monica e ni o ma ya mi go be nene YouTube o kin ya ina te ni o ma ya mi go YouTube mo David no ri o wo ri a bi ta gwa bera gwa bi juwa iba bo lawe gbe a omo agele wa agele won we na agugwa wa do sun azu o wa o wa iba bo lawe gbe juwa ka era ka ba bo lawe gbokun afian wu wa de wu de no ba ro wa gbe o wa se wa mi on egu agun de bi e dopa na egu agun wo ri ya ba bo lawe gbe iba bo lara la ju egbe wa gbe o wa o wa zazaga lawe gbe Ọlọ́run asu kojo woru iti ewe ma nu wo ri ya o ma da yen ya me gbe kin ya social media nu na afian wu ba gbon o zazaga lawe gbe joy gift igbebe na ti ewe ma da me block iwe me gbebe na ti we ma nu wo ri ya una ga okwu wa mi ya mo bi anu no sasa we wa mi ri awu ese wa ga okwu adi agwa lo ya mi ewe wa mi uwori adabi na ku wa kwa YouTube na we Facebook no wa tell me ni wa bo log we ba bo lawe gbe a ire Facebook ire YouTube ya block YouTube me to we you come and no mo awe we block YouTube me other 1 month no aga YouTube me dey the man imana me 2000 wo worry ya wo gbe o lawe gbe wo lock on 9 wa o wa wọ́n lọ́kọ̀ náà wọ́n tó wá kú tó wá gún mi gún ayé bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ó rí ọkọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n bọ̀ láwẹ̀ gbé à ìgbé má gbọ̀n gún à ìmọ̀ níyẹn lè gbé gún à ní dẹ́rẹ̀ mi yá fẹ́nà sunu kẹ̀nẹ̀ níyẹn yá láyé Facebook wà dé ó zú à ó má dẹ́rẹ̀ social media president nira ó má dẹ́rẹ̀ lọ́kẹ́ lìgẹ̀ social Facebook ó gún ẹ̀ gún à ẹni náà mo ní kánú wẹ̀ kánú ó má dẹ́rẹ̀ lọ́kẹ́ lìgẹ̀ Facebook ó gún yà gún à wa lu fake account iye kedu kin age aga enwe veni meru pa na ma de we degi menia be me ma de we aga enwe keke no ri age aga enwe iwa we agwali mu na kin enwe iye ki kedu kin age wa wori ya wa owo awe no ma gugu agon wa so do arobi no to target we YouTube oge we say gbon 10 million people in the building. Thank you everyone. Mommy, my lazy friends, they worry yet to pick the call because you pare Facebook, you pare YouTube. Man understand the now so in my own a laptop me. Beautiful Imafidon, hello host, hello my wonderful people in YouTube. You are welcome. Go and subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. Whatever nare imu weye manare o joy gift imu weye manare are no agrema ni re YouTube we no bon wa wagbon where there yan ige bad luck inu mukian ini go me igo no se ma o ti e ke go na re pagolo no zaga we dem me gbagbo ma na e ma we dey tu we me go agbon e ma we ne ure ma na Facebook na ke sun YouTube video ni we last 2 years ni agbo di mo fi gun onye o ni ya ka me di mo fi onye me nu nyi Facebook na e no gba onye o u je imi fe da to dey worry this one. Well, whatever, joy gift, drop a comment when you need the obi menopia, oya bolo way, or do you send me to show every social media while I'm in here way, Yamaka Henry. When you make it, when it be a man, was Saga winner, what's wrong with you? Are you normal? Are you okay? Are you okay? Whatever I mean, on a guamia, Nimeni wa mua, wa guana. I don't come down, miss. I don't come down. Oh, way. You got to look for money for YouTube now. You not look for money for YouTube. What day we not here? Welcome to my YouTube channel, my beautiful people. Welcome. Oh my God. See my lovely people, my amazing people. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Ureba ni emphasis. Udage eni etori moji. Ugwa yeki wawe wali yeki wawe fiugbe. Wa mu ye ekwe mu wo ko ni wawe weta mi mewe. E Monica zenu e ko ni ugwe shame on you. Na ya ge wa sen. Ekweni okoni ugwe weta mi me okoni ugwe weta mi me we e Monica zenu mother wazuwa e so wana o mo ka loka ya dogo mother we no ya ko boyfriend we your go uzage wo zaga kmo we dage life you wo dage no suwa dage no ko boy abeg ni gbera we boga ta we na re mana David, when I even was say where I go, say where I no be gusu o be na go say where no be gusu o. We gusu o you are where we never worry because you keep call lag ya we do we for no be do ari e ko madele ta gbon we. Oh my God. Whatever when me be do ne gwa me e tere ya salo. Na when about when about mo be masebu we. No, that is I wanna tell me my beloved sister. I wanna tell me Oma emi na we mi at least emi na no hia bugbe eku emu ma at least my yana ana gele we na fire here while the social media president no go do at least wire reva ni money ya we na te Facebook no wan ga sunu ye ni ya wa do sunu ye ni ya o do we ni e do wona o ni e do we no ke o Monica better pass you. Where did the Guadawa Monica where you well Ladia? Monica better pass. Everybody know Monica. Monica better pass you. Well Ladia na we do who well over Kua no we na we go no Kua. Enti me we Ladia na we show face we we show who well look Kua Ladia we show well Ladia come where we come you want to talk to Jesse who get we Kua Ladia. Monica better pass you. E Monica no better pass you. Ere manania. Enyere manania where the Latin where the Kua only come better pass you only come better America to come for you only come oh tutu there we come away. So my beloved people, my wonderful people who work moya fefe man now je na you go biri ay my wonderful people. Thank you. So, what why na roto why we to wa so fure yo e out than mine me no go work on I'm 40 something years old lady who tell you working I kijwe 40 something years old lady who tell wa momo no de kian la boss sala girl the one is say come see where 40 I'm not a 30 something years. Iya ya no we wa me live video ni ha I we no bubo o tell that something years old dikin to ti gba le boyfriend ya ni na do afi age we go to ija emi ane kwara so lo ya gbe mo ruement here okay I'm an old lady for that matter 40 something years old age ni mani e so wa no how old are you? I'm an old woman, I'm not a young lady. Do aso ne ma you way anywhere also na me we na we nika me Edimofi because I me know Edimofi my brother where me worry na irenu at least boy social media president according to your name God's time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. God's time. Osaze, God bless you, my love. Thank you so much, my wonderful people. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Why are you laughing, Joy? So, my wonderful people, ignoring now or married away ekenereke laha ake zoboe. Now where that is if fire enter bush. If they want to relocate that place, that is I say happen. Now where that fire for enter bush, now there they for the final. So I'm so disappointed for those of you that don't understand my language because I normally go with my dialects, of which you guys know I'm from Benin City. Okay, guys. So I'm sorry. Know that I cannot still speak 9, so I can still be left for there. I understand. Even though I turn the hair, go this side, everybody go understand. Even though I turn and go this side, everybody go understand. But I love to speak that my language. I love it. Okay, guys, I love it. So that is it. I really like to make people to happy. Daddy yo, thumbs up to you. Daddy yo, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Go and subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. Subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. People are jumping in right now. Thank you all that's be with me on YouTube right now. Thank you. Jesse Williams TV. If you know you are a small YouTuber, I don't say you may you understand. Go that side. So if you know that you are here, you are never subscribed to Jesse Williams TV, please guys subscribe to Jesse Williams TV. Those of you that really make me to make it just few months. You made me to make my YouTube channel. Thank you all, thank you. I don't know that you people really love me like this, so I don't really know that you people really love me like that. I don't know. Oh my God, under 1 month my YouTube just carried loads. My new YouTuber, the new one. Thank you all, thank you all. I really appreciate you guys. If you see what is that YouTube right now, I'm still working on it. If you go there, I don't really have a funny I don't really have a much thing there. I'm just doing something there right now. That is why you can see the video that is there. Okay guys, so let's go. Joy la wo biega me joy nya ge were ya bi nya ge we bumere umye first na we me na la o. So I know you had to lose some more. So I'm so really sorry to those of you that don't understand my language. As I said before, my name is Jessie Ugiagbe. When my Facebook name is Jessie Williams TV. Thank you for those of you that subscribe, that support me, that give me watch hour, that watch my video, that want me to move all there. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you. You are welcome. Thumbs up done. Thank you for the wonderful thumbs up you give to me. Thank you. I be on the way there Facebook. Men are not very so because people when they YouTube when they visit you YouTube, I need to welcome them. That is why. Because I'm on YouTube, the same time still on Facebook. That is why. So thank you for your understanding. So Eddie Murphy, the only time as brother, where si I'm not see only no what see. Emi ya fe no see the YouTube now. Was si I'm not see only Facebook now. Was I'm not see only no see here. And iga aku we gun. If you don't hear you can worry. E dokba ya mo Latin. I do mo video ni Latin. I play video ni. We are done with her because here didn't name it. It's a making worry na Emma. It can worry na Emma. What do you want to ask me, Joy? E can worry na Emma. Can worry na Emma. Can worry na Emma in your home. In your way because alachi ne wo ni. Me aya dene wo ni no why poi because you really tell her when I gbese wa tell gbese you probably if obo for a festival or say that me wear all those makeup all those things everybody coming or everybody Kevin you understand so everybody Kevin or see nana me wear I always go with ordinary natural face like that. That is why. So before you know it, I don't scratch my face. So yeah do ya did that big allergy. So yeah when you wear now nya. So why we now understand ya go and when you never me now understand the only time. Eddie Murphy my brother because we are talking we are here way he had to say way me at a brother ni no on ye name why me na yakpo wije when we lo bia to na me na yakpo ye to yegbere. That is the something all bad recall obi e warmer be no really agie okpa e mayakin okpa mayakin kin you understand. So ni mala wo go ni ma we ujina praise ada. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. You are welcome. Ni ma ujina ni mari negbe okbe ni keta me Eddie Murphy dege wenya wena na Eddie Murphy ivie ga iwa latin igbina pa ni vie ma igbina no ero na so no de mother wa we ya by ma wiye iga adam yo me so o say dem you mo ni ala Facebook ni adam yo cause ya adam yo enjoy so wala si aka re Facebook na we no gbegun ya. Oh, I'm sorry for my comments. I just wanted you to insult money. No, we don't need to insult. Go and bring the other phone and call. Okay. We don't need to insult anybody. We need to talk to them. We don't need to insult anybody. We need to talk to them. We have to talk to them. We need to talk to them. Where because no see in that where the mofi no a problem no ware social media because every year no social media man do your ne egbekin ati okay the mofi every year fe no social media ya gan dojo ne egbeke okay the mofi omo na dojo ne egbe okay the mofi because the mofi o see ati na ya amone dogbo to we dele na the mofi no where gume aku the mofi o see oga ido mweri ya ne akwa ara wetin ye be dollar eshi no man no see problem na ya fe if you have to talk na Facebook be tele na yen no aga mo so gie no ya mo so ni lawa no ko time no na miewe be ne so ni na kwere oh my big daddy honorable Osamu Diawe, you are welcome sir, you are welcome sir. Jump up on my YouTube channel. I'm on YouTube now. I'm on YouTube. Jump up Jesse Williams TV. So aga mo so get mo ke no agije me awon na egun ya do yaro ye family me when me wa jena me mind dey give care no we sunu ni egun ni yaro ye family we na egun responsible gbe when wa ya wo gwe wa ma e not no o te ma but ekwemu ma ni bi eto ekwemu ma enti mo fi mo Facebook ri ya why don't know me now this ozaze Facebook ni na wo ke ya dollar ji na wo wa ni mewe but mo fi ke ya dollar Facebook ri na all logo all say ni na time do we e na muria e logo e na dology all logo we are let mo finania what me na wa we die ego na ba ko be ga si o e ya ko no ka give o e let mo fiji and mo is a person that don't have friend e won say and mo fi won say and mo fi oh go no amogwe no roe go we fio eze no gbe. That is Eddie Murphy for you. Okay, take it. So that is Eddie Murphy for you. Eze no gbe, Eddie Murphy can say we na we osinyon kin. Akwa arewi aluwa we gba ta tu e yakoa. That is Eddie Murphy for you. Okay, I think Oladiania. Good or bad, imayona ya deba ifie o, imayona ya deba a destiny, imayona ya deba what is her name? Musician Esther Edokbaji. So but we need to say the truth. Every day na lads ya vegani akmoya tege awak moya soe awak moya tege we be ya sunu we destiny be calling that dog be tie the video is still there on hair. That video still there hair. Oh, you know, or why you fly? Pop, the hair. Yes. So, okay, the delay now, Urania, where do I beat around the bush? Because what's here? Wow, 12 million people in the building. Oh my God. 12 million people in the building on my YouTube channel. You guys are welcome. Oh, what is amazing people that I have here. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful thumbs up for Jesse Williams TV. Thank you so much. So, we do a bit around the bush. I'm a person. I'm already me him Jesse Williams. Jesse no wa me na. I'm already me wa him. Igwa gbenya no ka igwa gboka ninya. I saw a matter you ka gun ajo before. Stand by your words, Ed Murphy. Stand by your words. Take a bribe. Take a side. You understand? Take a also let me where eruya ya Facebook wa. Ruwa ya wa. Eruya ya Facebook ya wa. Awa me na we Facebook na tin we monetize. I want me in a Facebook na tinya graduates. Uvie ema ya fefe no matter no life Facebook where man we still like Facebook wa no matter no life Facebook do away YouTube we a presenters ema ni leke we la o lo awie marima mage we ema ni leke we la o awie why are you doing things like that won ga go we gun what's here? You are a what they call it a social media president. A president normally lead them. No. Emma, Enegare, wo bona. So we can hear again. Wo bona. So that me now have full respect. Me now have respecting no kwa begbewe Uji no kwaku we aro. You will have a respect. Don't take bribe. No matter what. Eh? Enukia yi ubadiyet. Una avego no hia finya e. Uwe no na yari ono na gwe no na yari ono na gwe. That is it. That is it. Where if ye ma if ye de ku kaka at all ma we ye de ku kaka ma wa ye ku o ma we ni meje ah ma we believe we ma wa ye yet be ku ma wa ye o kin gbe but ma wa ye set be ku wa ya fe the social media na wa ni e call me wo wan na imwe call wa ize you wa e ku wa gun because ima only me go with wa. That is why also na ko wo go making ya because why ya fe no my robi make up ba man understand because me bo wa man no agbe ne do ata where is okay now it's okay oh but I leave everything for God e matter ni tana e ye takia na me when walari ni melele rabi I'm saying the truth e matter na it's okay e take a bribe e take a side say the truth ekene destiny wa weri ri aboga na ekene vie na wa weri abi vie na ere romo ya yin fine when vie ya yin destiny to tell no bad uma tell me down ya yin me uma tell me down but what is the reason no na go we no ya yin me because when the matter ni yare e be gani when the matter ni yare that is why not am where we take a bribe we take a side. When the matani re, when the matani roton, ya fair no kono gyogyo, or ye kam guye. I'm not supporting the via, we never support the via. Lie, our what because say, okay, Arias, Papana ya swing me, who was yeke. I don't support even 1 million yani. Need support in your rock. I come out and say the truth, that is me. It was Latin to tell Matan raw. A Matan raw ni, a meta. So I don't support anybody. It's supporting ya, eh? It's supporting you. You people should not misquote me. I'm not buying misquote me. I'm not buying. Try to understand me. I'm not supporting anybody, but I'm telling you the truth. Eddie Murphy, social media president, you are the cause. Try no go on ya the social media here. Mene Jesse no be giagbe. All the time we were the learner where one way social media here. Was kata was zaga wabi jore egen wabi jore no na so mi wa e me na ni de na we video even we video kan e be ni belt ala do mi we egen no here we do ya se gbeg wa na we wa another video again ina we kan wo ma no heme wo ma no real advice is a person a woman working no say na me where or can when what they ba where or if you cannot beat them you join them. That is the reason you can where to they ba where no where do are where a single mother. That is it. Your way so let's see your way oh job can where they ba where my brother although where then you can you now. People on my YouTube channel, thank you, my lovely people. Thank you as you are jumping in. Thank you. Uwa, thank you so much. Thank you. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you, Jesse Williams TV. Go and subscribe. If you know you have never subscribed to my YouTube channel, go and subscribe. Okay, guys. So, my brother, it's very, very bad of you. There is no way no change what if you so you don't lose a marriage because or lose na why get lao because it lao or lose na emi no pay woe ruta woe or too much pay. So what is the need? If you cannot be there, you join them. Okay, Eddie Murphy, I just worry now don't know what why are dolly Facebook now? Where are dolly Facebook now? Why are we Facebook when not okay? My people, I'm not supporting anybody at all. In Europe, man, we are single working me uki agbairo. In Europe, man, me moae, ni me moae, even in Europe at all. onu ye he ata nya me mo nya be ata ko me guane me aguane me be nwa ile kinya be ta because what it gboma na get vie we need to say the truth because Eddie Murphy now is a person. Eddie Murphy now is a person we matter na sunu do to wa mia or regbe ya watch the video see when regbe ya watch the video this Eddie Murphy was the one that saying oh ere awa gbona o ere awa wono na o ere oga Olivier oko mi ati eni bunku me ni e ya TV no ya ati many things no ya ati many things maybe na we kana ni ya everything we run e be expect to be vie ni ma give me owa we kesa de destiny re my brother una gele atemata be social media na some social media na link we na when ni meje o no temata me hin a family me egbe me kere ya wan o wa la teme no to no wa we no ma gbe wa tama we wa give it to you I wa tama we no na o ma gba oni mari e mani tie bonu but na iguwe go na take as an insult but here where for me ma me na we insult no you understand. If I talk to you, you take it as an insult, but for me, I know I did not mean it as insult. I did not mean it as an insult. No, but it's the bad thing you do. I want to correct you. The evil thing you did. The evil bed you are spreading. Facebook re. Qui est guardana ye Facebook re, qui est ye Facebook re, qui est you refuse. You refuse to put all those things away from Facebook. Right now, spread it to the world. You spread those things to the world. If you are doing well, Latvian, give a dog respect. Hello, good afternoon, my husband. Oh, my darling. My beautiful queen, this is my angel. You are welcome. Join me on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel, Jesse Williams TV. You are welcome, my wife. So that is it. We need to say the truth. When they may miss none will spread your Facebook nana. Because when mommy or not time away will spread all those things. You are the one that spread all those mess. Yes. Where is there? Emoni kana lelewe. Yes, yin yaga age we wi yen. Emi wa je gwa, egwa nu joni, wo ma no sun e. Unu na fige gwa, wo sun e. Ijore na lelewe. What are we not saying? Why we not say the truth? O ba mo ma. But only ma we na ge yin. E do ya pita wo ho ba mo ma na ge yin. I cannot see the face and fear and go and that is I cannot leave the other side and fuck the other side. You understand? We need to say the truth. Even so whatever now. Iya mi mata unwagi yata. Why? What my ya ba? Okpa kakpa kokpa. Oje me na ya be ya we bonere ya ya be ya pa yan monari. But why are we doing all those things to each other? Why? Why are we doing all those things? Matiek bima obiedu nu no sedo. Maga mi mata meta, mi ari wanera obuwe. Iki ari wanera, komo wanera ari e obowe. Rudeno kai ma mi ari me. Iwa gwe, Eddie Murphy, why are you doing those things? Even we spread the social media na we here kie nania. E Facebook na we wa muri ya na we here tology. I'm asking you question. Ogon you let them do tal we no gin we no wia we no bu eruta lo because akmoya gba we ne you are just using all those things you are convince them you are just using it to convince people. Do you understand? Akmoya gba we ne a father for that matter. You cannot address issue as normal human being. When imeje me oko normal setting ogwae egbe ni kere wa neyan. They will tell you, I don't beat around the bush. I don't do that. Or when I say, I give it to you. You are with someone no my way, so say, man. Yeah, here we go, woman. I stay away from you. Yeah, that is Jesse. don't give a damn. Me go when me be normal. But people don't understand me. Even after waiting me wake here. Maybe Okafor, thank you so much. Thank you, my love. Even after waiting, you go away here. I stay away from you. If I see your character, it's not. That is. I don't want that. That is. Maybe I talk to you with maybe with the character you have. You refuse to change. Then what am I going to do? I leave you for the mess. You are not going. You are not talent. If I'm moving with you, why are you mugu? Yes. You know I learn work here. Why are you mugu? Why are you normal feel? I know what I'm doing there. That is me. Ike gwa magwa. That is me. Mi anya gugwe gwa. Egbe igwogwe. We just say wa gwa we na. Grace Bernard, thank you so much. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you. And just say wa gwa we na. Right from the one, people that know me, they know me as a peacemaker. But when no near the problem, you may take it maybe where no, I'm not making the peace. Yes, but I know God Almighty knew it. Wait, I'm telling you the truth. If you like, you take it. If you don't like, drop it. Yes. Even there, na ya west side, na ya debama. Una gume gu we gwa. I will tell you the truth. Una gume gu we gwa ya we. You are a type of people like that. You are going to no retire. Yes, that doesn't matter that I don't know what I'm doing. Don't call me a fool. And the answer we webu. Now the answer will do ke wa do me we are social media we na give me time. It's a shame. It's a shame. Yes, it's a shame. And the more feel like you bribe ne, or it's a social media. Or do I go no? No can I be call e pa mo ye speaker e pa send the account number. Ya le 200 euro go e. O wa be finu gbe ye papa na. E money ya. Eru ya mu Facebook uri ya. Eru ya dis gwagwa e Facebook. Eru ya gwa no makeke ye Facebook. Eru ya mess up e Facebook up. It's very, very bad of you. Emma, Matia bon when wa take away bono, carry it. But all I know, I'm telling you what is not right. What is not supposed. That's what I'm telling you. Hello Stella, you are welcome, thank you. So it's not good that the Murphy was here a gua was here like YouTube. Okay, guakere, we see a lot and I think we were Ogitania because you won't buy it anyway. Okay, guakere about a bay, it's a about a bay, it's a whereas but a baby was here can why out of your feet. Eruya do in other way to come in a way Edmorphy, we won't forget about Obama again we're twin or my need to away ye forget so we are a CIA or my need to away kaka just leave it ma una do ya back the way go before ke ari e go una sijore le gbe una polijole le gbe una pole le gbe oni no oni ma be lu enwa no boy ona we le we tejo leno e ko wa wo ge kiani oge akin ba we baba ne dete maybe me ma lelu we o kin ba we baba ne iya akin ka kin loko ne because if here we mama we know ourselves now my be ma understand because e can deje ni mana gwa lo te my be ma oze awe we na mi egwe even the Monica wa we mu e ogola tian dete Monica wa ye kin got to tomorrow. Oh, we are all be mashon in Nigeria. Yes, all be mashon in Nigeria. Unuke kabo do re bunwo ge Monica. Unuka bo re bunwo oze because why am I follower? You guys know the people that following you. E ma be oni oh ya tawe e that woman she not get action. I not like her way. I not like her way. She not the insult. She not they do this one. She not they do this one. No. I talk to people understand. That is how I talk. Emi ori on pa ni re salo. Eti mo fi la wo meti ye. Waya do le social media jiye, e Facebook jiye, waya do lo jiye. Edi si ni o ma bagbe we de mo fi. Iyan na wa when vie wa polo we kiani. E so ni wa we ju we la wo. Where de so ni o ma jo ni no ma wa ka ito oge do sayo nu ga so ni o ma jo nwem nu ori agwa. Ori awon mama na emunye mu wo me kwa. Nwem nu don't mention anybody's name. Don't mention their name at all. Don't mention anybody's name. You understand? La go. And mention anyone babani. We fear one direct. What we fear bass so me be quick one. Or anybody not call you well before. Anybody not well anything before. Forget about all those one. Why you want go anyone? Open the topic for those people. We are one. I see like a problem what we fear now. Because it there away. It says you were not some. You was sensitive way. You watch a video way. I see one word you use. No, don't make sure anybody know name. Just go direct to Ivie. When we your boss also make be. Ivie time away we look better on settle one. I make it and I go and settle. Maybe why you settle back where we want to start even now. So all in here give me time. Because one hour social media president na one hour social media na. Why they get name we are we man here fe. Wa men dege na over eje na wa men mege ya munwinere nwunegbuwa na imugwa for years emi ya wa we ma ya ngwa ke ro emi ya wa we ma ya wa men mege ya munwinere na wa mi presenter ono na wana ba na ila hono na ona wa hono na ba la hono na ona hono na ba because ibiere na e we munegbuwa ga mugwa ame presenter no we munere kinya pa munegbuwa ga mugwa Imune gbugwa ga mugwa. I want to so apele gbugwa. Ugwa ina olugwa to ya gwe ma be no ma pa me fa e. Ugwa ina gwa lo ge ma be e bo. Aworo ba eta ma me we gwe Monica gwa. Aworo ba eta ma me we gwe lolo gwa. Aworo ba eta ma wani agu gwa. Aworo ba gbe comment me. Let's give them what they belong. Let's position them for where they belong. It's very, very important. So that here Mekena and Kenya made the mistake. And the way they will go, they will do well. Joy Obaze, good evening. How are you doing? How is everything? I hope everything is okay. You are doing great. You are welcome. Thank you so much. One better mama when you are good, don't mama go work one or my own one or own work here. They no mabuya. Awe de no mawo e ti mo fi o ma e Monica ma e ne di vie o ma de no mawo kunya ama wo kunya azeye bo no merinya wa gbina ni ya ba because me re ninya to gunya gwa imari o ba ire bo Murda egene e Monica na adu e kinoga adu wa ya gareba. Most of you now we are college way Sawe rides on Monica rides on. Hey, the giants, the nenemi. Alright, Latin one am sending ya kuku. I see you now. You not rich. We're rice. Even we want rich. Iya ju we ya meet up. Iya we ya meet up because una ro niya. Una me was the we near your turn. We na area top. Oh we always strong on your top. That is it. When working with water, yeah, we are spring up. Yes. You understand? Yeah, we are spring up. That is it. Yeah, fe have a party now. Another boy, me where. Yeah, what Monica do again? We are not talking about this moment alone. We are talking about a problem yake la social media ma own matter. Oge baba na ba. Ma understand? Why you me awe mama ya judge the matter. So why you judge the matter? Where the social media the learn na when on a comment now. Don't no soon the mo fi osun e the mo fi la o ona polo edomo fina ga poli yan yakian ona ga poli yan yakian edomo fina ga poli yan yakian edomo fina ga poli yan yakian edomo fina ga poli yan ya fefefe kian e yala ga dele yeren e yala ga dele jeti e yala ga dele yemi ati to ma no sun e aga agbodo na temata e asun e e mata ma we no meta wa gi ma mi o koko ni ma do ati ororo wa gi ma mi okoko ni ma do ati ororo. No, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that at all. Ma do awe gbewere oni me de obi o salobua mama onsa at all. Mana do awe gbewere oni mama onsa eke weti lolo do eke weti Monica do eke weti Epa do eke toto Epa eke toto Monica eke toto lolo. No, so we no gba o ke ni ma temata e mata na oria se utezi e mata ria so igwo wa ki ma gbote ni ma temata bi ebo me e mata na ria so igwo. Okay, let me see time. Okay, take care. E mata ria so igwo okay, thank you. E mata ria so igwo eke gwonu na gwa wo se na gwi ya kwa ege ni na amu emi ati eri age Facebook ri a wa agboya fefe ma re mana agboya ma tege ati mo fi la gbogbo la ho ime wa re do imi we e wa na wa we gbe do ya gwa e wana nu we wa ye Facebook na bi edori monji ibi edo respect of bagi gwe ibi edo ogwa ote eriro we ma no sile na ya awete na ni na be awe actress na na gwa kan na ibi ere ni ate efime do ni ma wash na wo no be signal social media we o no signal la we mi ma oni aso ni ma no kporpa ni tamo eni o ma no we ya la social media na wo no be signal la woman no sing la e o ma be wo se bi ere la u ga don na ya ne ke no te be respect ya o ke ne ka respect ya o iye do wo ke ya na ti gun ya kwa be na iye be sun e de mo feel no ni ya ijole ma pa nu ge o te do one day. O ma we one day wo si leti ni la ogoga age ibi awo ne mi no ku no gege waru le kian gbegbegbegbe ibi ara ya na aru le obi ara na aroge wo polele okwe ebe ekwa na be ya o ya mi no jena dage me be agwe jode kwa be ti jode rie jode ya te trap ogugwe ala chini me he afise ne bo ni e wa mo jo ye wa total o we na nya wa ya mi na dege be se wa mi na he mi ta e ti mo fi la wo me message to you try to dole doji me message to you try to dole doji ya wo de ko de ya when wa ya dole o to ne doji he when we are done Facebook here when we are done ni mani bi edo because we are done make me na kan ori oba ti sa we wetin concern you ori oba ti ta if you just ring the bell, okay? Only open it where waiting concern you. Or come, or be talking, you can move in. I'm ashamed of myself. What is all this? When I me. Yarat kwa, imi no rie. Jesse, Arab your vessel and you tell with that woman, she know you get a show. At time away, we where I show me. Where can you allow? At time away. Just away, would then now I'm when you're Doriana, now I'm when you're Doriana. I'll see it and I will like out one because never we be a dobe soon. No, now. Angel Williams, I am still here. Oh, thank you so much, Angel Williams. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you so much. I can see you people on my YouTube channel right now. God bless you. God bless you. Those of you that are here with me, 9 million people in the building on my YouTube channel, thank you. You are welcome. Thank you so much. So, my people, why you sitting in your fefe? I can not tell me matter. I'm a little bit of water matter. When you bought you, you know, you are going to a video, you know, I'm carry a load. And her video get message. Okoni, I don't know that lady. But oh, do you know about me? Oh, you know, ya only 1 minute. Tell me you was swing. Yeah, but the million ya like social media. Yeah, wow. Only the way, yeah, everyone to it. Yeah. Everyone to it. Yeah. Money, we not buy. We not buy. Wagi marry Jimana. Wagi marry a bimagbe. Because it may need the muffin now. The muffin. We have done a toji. We have done a Facebook. We have done a YouTube here. We have done a Yalwezaga here. But you go to say 200,000. Ne Naija worship pay away. You go to say 100,000 in Naija worship pay away a month. No. Money, who work Facebook? Who work be? Timana. Timana. Na mwama ni yate filme do biere ko biere ko ado woginya. Not a man of meta. Iya do woginya. E di mo fi o ka sinya Latin. E video ni gwe me. Yo ka sinya Latin. Akedo mi ogun ya kedo Alatin. Ogun ya kedo Alatin popa. We ma we ni we magie ma back be mana. Ma back be ma. Yo sinya Latin ogun ya na do Alatin popa. Ogun ya na do Alatin popa. Not a man no meta. If you are the learner, you can hear Benny by Facebook. You pas doit pépé den. Et y a qui tout be point be. Enena mania. Enena mania di mofi. Enena mania. Wa ki temo ba wa igbe Monica you na why you regret time so no me why time Monica me blame. We go matter na Monica was very big blame we matter na kakabo matter no matter me here ne mamu gwe ya fefe wa take be na me we personal issue no we don't do that obi e Buhari obi e boda you got get fit ogpa ne mana call e concern oge this latest star no da phone egbo no da phone egbe wa ite go no ya make a call no ya we mi Opona here tell no ma balance about fin phone. All about my phone in speaker. That is it. Name me na concept or anyway ezona do live ani. It will be a disaster. Also no na we you don't ya we me. E no uni e no manual. To no like that challenge Wait Monica, why you do like that? Why you no put on speaker when we hear? E no ma uni. Why that big way but why me matter what? Why want take away? I too love Monica. I too love no. Agboya love Monica. Every time I tunu that but no we go ro. And that the muffin back by me that you tunu that no you go ro. My love it be ma. What do I me here? Every man na yane me show love ni ma me ne be ma. And the year to what love it be. But money man who like this lady no go where there no go where a Facebook. I know how people was crying. But I don't know rag but what about celebrate a video. Eh? Igo no wa me igo no ya we no ria. And most people will donate. Yeah, we are donating na ya we no ria. What's here? E wani na we no magba na kedo ya zabo we e mu na ma o so lo ba gbe to lost one na o e no gba o ye ya mo gba o na we ya tie bo no ke we ya tie bo no ke we ya tie bo. You think you are supporting issue, you think you are helping issue. You are not helping issue. For you to do that, some money we no na ma you boy in the war e ki ya mo bo gbo e me mo don't hear say mo na now. For you to do that, you will be calling and be saying ya mo bo gbejo. Yati ogun asan yo. Yati ogun avan yo. Ti ogun owi ejo. Why are you doing that? Why go work baby oni? Eh money ah. Eh? Okay, na. Edimo no duolo na nanya. We get ya settle ogugwe because if no ma gwe we akmona. Ogono e social media je. Ogono enuberi gwe we ya lele yakia. Edimo fi kan ya settle ogwa ehe. How are you going to settle your house? Tell me. When men to settle social media and we dege, when you settle if you went akwe why you settle wa we? Akwa are we do make be agani. E don je na ara gbon amakugbe. Yin ga igu ni awa ma baba bi je ma gu ni that way work self. Then me wa je na me what my family men. Baba bi je gu dey do your me I do my oh I say with them my oh with my children with my husband oh. Yes. Baba we je hu everybody dey yo lay. Yes. But weru nwakmo. If you go na azaga the mofi we ati kunyagbe. No, wetin cuz when you social media now. E wa be yin physical. E wa be yin. We am ati wa ki romo for 20 years wa bele. We wa were ni we ya live here. Akwe na ire. Iya ni do iri nene era ya mana ire owo pare wanara ya no ka gba bi u we de ba wo ni no ma ire no ro be sun agbe ti mo fi e u we ri o ti mo fi usa the social media usa the Facebook usa the Jesus we wa wo me emu gbe mi awa la o me make mi ake so make ni ake mo yo ile wa je wa presenters wa present a trouble wa se gbe trouble wa ga present e be no ga ni e o ga tan e wo presenters wa se peacemaker you cannot present peace why present a peace of barrel a piece of going why gelewu I do me when you know my do mom social media where oh yeah if I do latia pa we say as only matter wa mo ati we there yo una do time with my echo tie pa ma settle we ne when we settle ni mama ku ejo mana ho ni ti ma ga gogo ona mi omuria no ro wa je ave presenters si wa presenters ima ono mo ni nu wa presenters amu enu wa presenters amu enu wa ngo ya presenter mi wa ma awu ba ma se ngo ya presenter o gejo ma gbe ngo ya presenter no ma wu ngo ya presenter ame rekia amu enu wa Hi, what's happened to my internet connection is usually unstoppable. Why my internet? Why my internet to